呼叫医疗紧急情况的有用短语。
Hello, I need an ambulance. It's an emergency. The person is not breathing. The person is bleeding heavily. The person has a broken leg, arm. Someone is injured, sick and needs medical attention. I need an ambulance. Someone is having a heart attack. There's been an accident. Someone is unconscious. Someone is having difficulty breathing. Someone is choking. Someone is having a seizure. Someone has been injured. Someone is having a severe allergic reaction. Someone is having a stroke. Someone has been poisoned. Someone has been burned. Someone is having a mental health crisis. Someone has fallen and can't get up. Someone is having a diabetic emergency. Someone is having a severe asthma attack. Someone has been in a car accident. Someone has been stabbed. Someone has been shot. Someone is having a panic attack.